Corner wall shelves are a practical and stylish solution for utilizing unused wall space effectively. These cleverly designed shelves are specifically crafted to fit snugly into the corners of a room, providing an innovative way to display and store various items while adding a touch of charm to any living or working space. One of the key advantages of corner wall shelves is their space-saving design. Traditional wall shelves may take up valuable wall real estate, leaving corners untouched and unutilized. By using corner wall shelves, you can optimize every inch of your room, making it ideal for smaller living spaces or rooms with limited floor area. These shelves come in a wide range of materials and finishes, ensuring there is something to suit every interior style. From sleek and modern metal or glass shelves to rustic wooden ones, you can find a variety of options that complement your decor and